Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make a strawberry basil relish. This relish is so versatile and really so delicious. It can be used in savory dishes as an accompaniment, like on grilled fish or grilled chicken, or you can use it on the sweet side. Cakes, cupcakes, biscuits, you name it. So come along. What I like about this recipe is it only has 3 ingredients: strawberries, basil, honey, let's say 4, because I'm going to put in a little dash of pepper. So we're going to slice up our strawberries. Oh my gosh, look how big this strawberry is. Well, what we need to do is chop up strawberries into small little chunks. We need about 1 1/4 cups. All right, we're getting there. I'm just giving these a rough cut, not exact at all. All right, there we go. Now I also need about a tablespoon of chopped basil. This is actually fresh basil from my garden that I picked out. I do have strawberries, but I don't have enough to yield 1 1/4 cups. But I'm just gonna give this a rough cut, not a chiffonade, just kind of a rough cut. And this might be a little bit more than a tablespoon, but that'll be fine. Now to a bowl, I'm gonna add our strawberries. You just need a small bowl for this. I'm gonna put in our basil. Now I'm gonna put in a little bit of pepper. There we go. This is 1 tablespoon of honey. And then we're gonna mix it all together. I'm using honey in this as opposed to granulated sugar because honey is just a healthier option, and it will do the same thing that granulated sugar will do. And honestly, when I'm looking at this, I think I want to add some more basil into this. All right, here we go. A little bit more basil. So in order for this relish to come up to flavor, you want to let it sit in the refrigerator for a couple hours. That way the strawberry, the honey, and the basil, all their flavors can kind of come together. So let's taste it now, see what we have. I got a nice big chunk of basil. And the pepper that I put in here gives it a little bit of a kick, so it's not like an overly sweet, which is nice. Well, thanks for joining me today, everyone, as we made this strawberry basil relish. I really think it's going to go well with fish, chicken, or whatever you decide to do with it. So there's going to be another part to this video. This is a 2-parter. I'm going to be using the strawberry basil relish on something that I'm going to try and redeem myself for the strawberry shortcake cake that I made. So stick around for that video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell, and that way you won't miss out on any videos, and I'll see you next time. Have a great day.